it's me, and today we're going to be making a new project. In this project, there's this cat you see over here. This cat, he's going to be flying. So this is how it works. I'm going to press on the green flag. I'm bored to death. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I think I'll go to fly, press the G key to start, and press the space bar once too. So I'm pressing the G key. Time to fly. You can change the sound there if you want. Now I'm pressing spacebar key. Wait 5 seconds and see what happens. So it's nighttime. Now I'm pressing the down key, the down arrow key. So he's going down, then he's going up, he's going down, and he's going up. Now he's going back down. Okay, so now that you've got the idea of how it works, let's start making. Okay, so the first step to make this is we're gonna go and click on File, then we'll click on New. Or you can simply click the shortcut and a new project will open, but I've opened it now. So what we're going to do, we have this boring cat over here. We're going to get a backdrop right now. So we're going to click on that image thingy and we can click on a bedroom. I'm going to go for bedroom 1, but you can change the bedroom. Like you can go to bedroom 2 or any backdrop you want. Okay, then click on OK. And we can put the cat over there. The next step, we're gonna go and we're gonna click on this little mini picture of the backdrop and we're gonna click on it. So you see both of our backdrops are displayed here. We're gonna click on the white backdrop, the boring white backdrop, and we're gonna click on this X here because we don't want this. There, we're done with that now. Now what we're gonna do is we can't just stay with one backdrop. So we're going to click on this and we're going to click on the image thingy, choose backdrop from library. I'm going to go for blue sky and click OK. So now I want a bit differences. I want a sun over here and some clouds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on convert to bitmap. Then I'm going to click on the circle. It's called ellipse. And now I'm going to first I'm going to click on the orange color over here. You can click on this so that it's going to be automatically filled with the same orange. I'm going to hold shift key and draw a circle, like a sun, you see? We will put that over there and you can resize it if you want. There, now we have a perfect sky with, a sun. Now let's put some clouds. So we're gonna go down. I suppose there are gonna be some clouds down. Okay, so maybe it's not here. I saw one, I remember. Yeah, there. We're gonna click on clouds, and now that we have a cloud, we're gonna click on this. It's a grow tool, and when you click on it, you can grow anything. Maybe not. You can make the size bigger. Now this you see here is this stamp you see is a tool used for duplicating things. So I'm going to click on this, and when you drag it, ta-da, a new cloud. I'm going to shrink it a bit. And there, you can keep that, you can put it wherever you want. And now I'm gonna put one more cloud. 3 clouds went off. And that's good. Now what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna go back to backdrops. And we're gonna just go right here. Then we're going to click and make a new backdrop, a paint new backdrop. So then what you can do is you can just make the line width super big, or you can just click on this and take a dark blue color and click on this, and yeah, now you have a nighttime sky. I'm gonna draw like a moon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here. Okay, maybe I don't want the line width to be that much, so I'm just gonna make it that much. And now make sure it's on the second oval. Now hold shift and make sure you change the color to like a moon color. Maybe that's a bit too much white, pale. So I'm gonna go for this, peach. Maybe not this. You can fiddle with it until you get just the color you want. And I think I got the color I wanted, so now I'm just gonna put it here. But I'm not gonna want it to look like a full moon, like not every day is a full moon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, maybe that was not good. Undo that. Okay, so that went wrong. Let's redo that. And let's just draw a circle over it. Okay, so now that does not show. Okay, maybe that was a bit funny. Okay, now let's draw. Okay, so that went wrong, but it's okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw like the moon over it. There. So what we can do is we can click on select. Okay, that went wrong. We can select this much and put it over here. And then we can make a new circle. But it's gonna be the same color of the sky. And we're gonna put it over the moon. And like we're gonna put it in such a way that the moon looks like it's like a quarter moon. So now that we're done with that, we're done with our backdrops. Now we can just now let's move on to the other sprites. We're gonna click on choose sprite from library, go down and you see cat one flying. Click on it and click OK. Then put it right over here and you're done. Then we're gonna have to add a few things, like a building, for example. So we're gonna click on get a new sprite and buildings. Now that we've clicked on that, that's not a problem. We're gonna go to costumes. Look, there are so many costume options. You can choose whichever costume you want, but keep in mind, the costumes are gonna change all the time. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to click on Sprite 1 and onto Scripts. Okay, maybe we're gonna click on Backdrops. First go to Backdrops and Bedroom. Then we're gonna click on Sprite 1 and Scripts. We're gonna go to Vents, and when green flag clicked, drag it into the script area. So when you've done that, what we're going to be doing is we're gonna go to looks and think, for 2 seconds, but instead of we're gonna keep and we're gonna write, I am so bored. Or you can write, I am bored to death. But I'm gonna stick with I'm so bored. What should I do. Then go to control and take 1 second, wait 1 second, go back to looks, and then drag say hello for 2 seconds. But instead of hello, we're going to be writing, do you know what I should do? Okay, now we're going to replace the 2 seconds with 3 seconds for both of the saying things. So, do you know what I should do? For 3 seconds. Then go back to control, drag wait 1 second, go back to looks and say, I know, I'll go out to fly. Press, okay, that was a grammar error. Press G key to start. Don't forget to press the space bar. Okay, that went a bit long, but don't worry. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this at the top, and then we're gonna go back to we're gonna take a show and put it right over here. Show. Then go to events. When space key pressed, I'm gonna change it to G, or you can replace it with any letter, any key. But like, for example, if you want to take M, so make sure you change this G to M. But I'm gonna stick with G. G for go. When G key pressed, go to looks and take height. Then when G key pressed, then we're gonna go to stage 3 backdrops, and then we're gonna go to events when space key pressed, but instead of space key, G key. When G key pressed, go to looks, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, but we want, this backdrop to appear, which is blue sky 2. Switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Oh, I forgot to go to events and take forever. Put it right over here. Then go to, wait 1 second, but turn that 1 second into 5 seconds. Then go to looks, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And since backdrop 1 is like the night sky, it's gonna be the same. Okay, you might want to put this last, and then go back to control and wait 1 second, but instead of 1 second, 5 seconds. Then you can go back to events and take one space key press, but instead of space key, G key or whatever key you're using. So let's see how it's going till now. Okay, maybe we should do it. We need to add something else. When green flag clicked, switch backdrop to bedroom 1 because it's the bedroom. I'm so bored. What should I do? We're gonna have to remove the clouds, you know. Okay, so I think what we should do, we click on one of the clouds, go to scripts and events, take one green flag clicked, go to looks and hide, then go back to events. When space key pressed, but instead of instead of space key, G key, or whatever key you're using, and go back to looks and take show. That's better. But wait, what about the other clouds? Well, it would take forever to do all of the clouds. So what we're going to do, I'm going to tell you a handy trick. Just take this script and drag it onto the cloud. Drag both of the scripts, and if you click on it, they're copied. Okay, so look, there is no script over here. I'm going to go to Cloud 2, drag it, and it's copied. See? So now that's much easier. Let's start. But what about the buildings? Well, we'll do the same thing. There. Let's start much better. And now let's see if it works for G when I press G key. Okay, now I'm pressing J key. There. Okay, so what about the flying part? Well, we need to fix that, so we are going to fix that. To do that, we're going to go to Cat 1 Flying, but in not Cat 1 Flying, there is not much script for Cat 1, but we'll go to Buildings. And then what we're supposed to do after that is we're supposed to go to Buildings, and then we're going to go to Control. Then we're going to take, okay, let's stop, that's a bit annoying. So we're going to take Forever, then we're going to go and take Motion, and we're going to go and take Set X to 0. But instead of 0, we're going to write 250. Then we're going to take change x by 10. But instead of 10, we're going to write 100. We're going to go to controls again, and we're going to take repeat and put it right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to change x by -5. Change that repeat to 100. And we're going to go to events when this is clicked. But instead of that, since we're starting when the G key is pressed, we're going to take when space key is pressed. But instead of that G or whatever key you're using. So that's done for buildings. Let's see how it's flying. Okay, wait, let's stop this. We need to fix that. We do not want a flying cat in a bedroom. But actually, if you ask me, I don't know how a cat can fly, but let's make it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to Cloud 3 when this clicked, hide, and when G key pressed, show. That's better. Now let's start. I'm so bored. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I know, I'll go up to fly. Press. Okay, that went a little fast. Let's change it to 4. I know, I'll go up to fly. Press G key to start. Don't forget to press space bar. Okay, so I'm pressing G. Oh, sorry. I'm so bored. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I know, I'll go to fly. Press G key to start. Don't forget to press the space bar. So I'm pressing the G. Okay, now it looks like it's flying. Okay, that impression didn't really give me the idea. I mean, how can a person fly by the exact same building like 100 times? So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to buildings, like this script, is our target. We're going to go to looks and next costume, right in between set X to 250, next costume, repeat 100 times and blah blah. So let's see how it goes. I'm so bored. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I know. Okay, I'm just pressing GK. Now that gives me impression because I think you can fly by different buildings a long time. Okay, so looking good. That looks great right now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and, well, we click on Cat 1 Flying. Then we go and to events. Sorry about that. Okay, events. And okay, maybe we'll continue on this script. We're gonna go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds, but instead of hello, we're gonna write time to fly. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to sounds. New sound. Mine isn't human. Clapping. Or cheer. Yeah, so you can choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go for cheer. Okay. And then we're gonna go to scripts. And then we're gonna click on sound, play, sound, cheer, cheer. So let's see how it works. I'm just having a head start, G key pressed. Okay, time to fly. Okay, so that was a cheer. Wish I could ever be cheer like that. Okay, never mind. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, it's almost done. Except one thing, like remember when I pressed the up and down key? So, and then the cat moved up and down and up and down. Like, I want to add that too, right? So let's go ahead and add that right away. But wait, look at that right now. Is it possible that the clouds stay at one place? Well, I don't think so, so I think I'm gonna delete those. Let's look at the costumes of these guys. Well, there are lots of costumes. Well, you know what? Let's make the clouds float also. So, to do that, we're gonna have to build a script. We're gonna go to when this clicked, but instead when space key pressed, but G key or whatever key you're using, then we're gonna go to control forever. Then we're gonna go to motion, go to mouse pointer, but instead random position. Then we're gonna go to, take set X to 0. Sorry, but instead of 0, we're going to write 250. There. Then we're gonna go to looks, then go and press next costume. Then we're gonna go to control and repeat 50 times. We're gonna go to motion, change X by 10, but instead of 10, we're gonna write -10. There. Now let's see if it's working. G. It looks great, except one thing. Like, look at it. When I bring the cloud in front of it. The cloud goes in front of it. So we're gonna want to bring the cat to the front. So we're gonna go to looks and go to front. Wait, no, I'm wrong. Right here. Then we're done. Okay, we're going to press G in advance. Okay, yeah, that's done. Now look, isn't that better? Now let's do another thing. We are going to like put it up and down and left and right. So we want it to go up and down when I press the arrow key. So let's do that right now. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna go to motion. Then we're gonna go to cat fine. Then we're gonna go and then event when space key pressed, but instead of space key up arrow, we're gonna go to motion, change Y by 10. Okay, I'm not so sure if that's gonna work. Okay, change Y. Okay, so now when down arrow pressed, down arrow, change, go to motion, and then change Y by 10, but instead of 10, minus 10, there. We're done there. Now, why don't we make it go, okay, so it's working, I see. Now, why don't we make it go left and right, yeah, like that. So to do that, we're gonna go to events when space key pressed, but instead right arrow. So then we're gonna go to motion, change X by 10. Let's see if it works. And what about the left arrow? So we'll do that right now. Left arrow. Good motion. Change X by minus 10. Okay, so it looks like that works. That's perfect. Now we can make it go up and down and left and right. So we have fully control over our person, though I wouldn't be so sure about having the left key. So, okay, now let's watch it from the starting, but don't you think we should have more clouds? Okay, I think you're right. So now the script has also been copied with it. So let's see how it works. Wait a second. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, let's stop. And let's start now and see how it works. I'm so bored. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I know, I'll go to fly. Press G key to start. Don't forget to press the space bar. Okay, so I'm pressing G. Pressed. Time to fly. Cheers. Okay, you can reduce the clouds, and I think I'm gonna do that. Only 2 clouds is enough. Or maybe I'll go with 1 cloud. Perfect. So let's start once more. I'm so bored. What should I do? Do you know what I should do? I know, I'll go out to fly. Press G key to start. Don't forget to press the space bar. I'm pressing G. Pressed. Cheers and applause. Okay, Now I pressed space key a long time ago. Now let's move it down. I'm pressing down key, down arrow. Now up, now left, now right. Woo! Okay, now up. Ooh, should I touch the sun? Where's the sun? I'm gonna touch the moon. I'm gonna be the first one. It's so hot. Okay, so looks like it works all right. So thank you for watching my video, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'm repeating it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye.